Hmm.
Whatever we are regularly using in our industry, this is one regular grinding press wheel, and this is one like electrical hazards is there. Otherwise, one
Welding.
heat, yeah, heat is there. So it is like heat resistant seal. This one, and this is also one of the new innovated by us, because of this one will like covering all chain strap also. This is regular, and this is covering with chain strap, like chain area also. So, and this is we have safety helmet, and this is also innovated safety helmets with vent area for ventilation purpose, and like extra cushioning comfort, and it's very good quality. And this is whatever we are having now. Like in industry we are using one of the normal goggles, but this is anti fog and anti scratch coating. Like sometimes we are facing issue with fogging after using mask. So after we are using one mask, then like it will fog will be there, then it's like anti fog coated, that's why it will not like visibility problem is not there, and like anti fog also, and all things are same like that, only just model change. And this is also anti fog, and this is also anti fog, but material and model wise changes is there. And this is we called over specs. Like if you are using any power goggles yours from your end, then you will use through like use with that power goggles also, because of design like design also same like that one. So after we are using this one, your power goggles in like inside area, and this will be outside area. And this is what we are calling with power goggles. If you like if you are using any power goggles, then you will just this is the one empty frame we are providing with you.
Okay.
So you will just get it like that only.
Yeah, mask or chemical.
This is chemical mask. This we called half face mask with filter cartridge. This is P1 or P3, or like this is P3 cartridge for dusty area, for 5000 ppm area, and this is we called full face mask. This will come with one multi cartridge also,
chemical.
AVOG cartridge, and for chemical, for any type of gases is there in your industry, then you will use it this one. And this is for dust. Yeah, this is for dust only. FFP1, three categories there in the dust area. One is FFP1, one FFP2, and third is FFP3. So like that, model wise we are providing type of mask, and this is safety shoe, and this is completely leather free shoe. Because of sometime we are
वाला explain कर.
So
ज़्यादा time.
this one. So this is one AC helmet, sir. Like
AC.
normally in our like ambient temperature 40 degree, 45 degree, then it will when AC helmet we design, our team design this one. Normally if we will decrease 7 to 8 degree temperature, and air will come through like this holes.
Okay.
So this is very good innovated by JERS team, and this is also FLP torchlight. Like in industries, one flammable area is there, otherwise a reactor is there. Then like normal torch will like we will like left on our hand, and spark will be there. So if like this torch put down, then spark will be not there. This is we call the FLP type of torches.
Okay.
So type of models is there. One is like with safety helmet mounted also is there, and this is also one torch magnetic type of any like metal area is there. Then you will just install there, and just movable type of head is there. And this is also one of the safety signal with alcohol detector, with glass breaker, with whistle, with torch. So multiple. This is also one of the camera for monitoring purpose. Like this will install in our helmet like that only, and if our team like need to guide us, then they will guide, because of one SIM tray is there, and like audible also is there for communication purpose and for the monitoring purpose. This is area light, and this is lifeline system. This is air vent blower inside the confined space. If we need any air for, like this is the hose, this is the air vent blower, and this is one of the area lighting is there. This is also foldable, and like multitasking purpose.
Okay.
Storage box, and this one is for
Okay. Thank you.
okay, thank you.